Hello, I'm Margaret Camagay from IT Student Block 3. So, for this project, I'll be exploring my identity as a first-year student using two key perspectives. The first one is the Freud psychoanalytic theory, which contains id, ego, and superego. And then the next one is the Mead's theory of the social self, which contains me and I. I'll use the principles of programming and technology as a metaphor for my self-discovery journey. First, let's look at Freud's psychoanalytic theory. So, this theory suggests that our personality is a result of the dynamic interaction between our id, which is our primarily urge, our ego, which is our rational self, and the superego, which is our moral consequence. So for me, this is like a different part of program codes. My id is the desire to watch series like series and play games after a long day of learning in school. But my superego is the internal deadline reminder, the syntax error that tells me that I need to finish my schoolwork. So the ego is the user interface trying to find balance. Maybe I can finish my schoolwork first and then reward myself with an hour of watching and playing games. This constant internal negotiation is a major part of my daily life as a freshman. So moving on, so let's now move on to the second perspective, which is the Mead's theory of the social self. So this theory posits that our self develops through social interactions. The I is our spontaneous, unsocialized selves, while the me is the self that sees itself from the perspectives of others. This helps me see how I present myself to the world, much like as a user profile or an avatar. Online, my I might be a spontaneous comment in a gaming community, while my me is a more formal, carefully crafted post on a professional networking site. In real life, my I is the version of me that gets excited about a new coding challenge, and my me is the version that follows classroom etiquette and present projects. So these different profiles help me adapt to connect with different people, showing that who I am isn't a single monolithic identity but a network or interconnected rules. Looking at myself through these lenses has been truly insightful. It's shown me that my identity, much like a program, is constantly being written, debugged, or updated. As a future IT professional, understanding myself in this way will help me not only in my career but also in my interactions with others. It teaches me that everyone has their own code and interfaces. This project has shown me that who I am is not a fixed destination but an ongoing process of exploration, my self-discovery, with a lot of debug errors along the way. So that's it. Again, I am Margaret Camagay from IT Student Block 3. Good day, God bless.